This is Jeet Mehta from AIC Technology Solutions, and today we are going to see that what are the new features in Lumion 10.3, and also we will see how Lumion is used briefly. So, the agenda of today's webinar that we'll see what is Lumion, how Lumion is been globally used, and the compatibility of the software with the other softwares like other 3D softwares, and we'll see the live presentation of the software. So now Lumion is a photorealistic real-time rendering engine. So here you can import any 3D model or you can use any drafting tool. It is not a separate plugin, and this is an individual software. So if you have your 3D concept ready in any software like 3ds Max or Revit or SketchUp, you can just import your model into the Lumion, and you can get the beautiful renders output. So this software is extremely fast and easy to learn. Apart from that, Lumion will fulfill all your rendering challenges. So in rendering challenges like if you have to create a realistic material, some 3D materials like 3D grass and some animated water, and if you want to create some quick animation and you want a quick rendering output as a still image or a 360 panorama or a video output, so you will get it within no time. And apart from that, you can add special effects like rain, snow, wind, and fog. um, if you have any massive complex scene or any ultra complex scene, you can import it into the Lumion, and you can use the Lumion content library. That library is very vast. So thousands of contents are available there. So you can import hundred of trees, some animated people, indoor library like furniture, and sound library is also there. So you can create a beautiful digital presentation for your projects. 72 out of 100 top architecture companies are using this software as the rendering solution worldwide, and this software has been used in 100 plus countries, and overall 1 lakh users are there already there. So you can try this software as your rendering solution if you haven't tried it yet. And so a trial version is also available online, so you just download it and use it. So this software is compatible with the 3D softwares like SketchUp, Revit, Allplan, some Bentley softwares, 3ds Max, ArchiCAD, and many more softwares. Like if you have any 3D model, so you can just import it into the Lumion, so you don't have to download and use separate plugin for the like 3ds Max or SketchUp or Revit. It's like a one solution for all your 3D modeling and your concepts for the rendering. So Lumion 10.3 is available right now in the market, and people who are using Lumion 10 version, that is a free upgrade for them, so they can use it with some new advanced features. We will see those advanced features and the new features into the live presentation. Before we go live, we will share you the recorded webinar link of the YouTube with the email. So please, we request you, please subscribe our YouTube channel, so further you will get update of the more webinars and training videos. To know more about this software and some certified training, you can contact my colleague Madhu Chablani. Her contact details is given on screen, and some offers are going that you can buy Lumion on EMI. So you can please contact her and get your offers, and you can get the softwares also. So now we will go live and we'll see how this software works. Hi, this is my Lumion screen, my work environment. You can see the XYZ gizmo. I will import one SketchUp file and you'll see the new features and how to get the beautiful render outputs. Okay, so before doing that, Lumion works on the 4 tabs. First tab is for the objects, like as I said, content library available for the 3D people, furniture. This is the new tab of the fine detail nature in the Lumion 10. The second tab for the materials, the lens. So over 1200 plus materials, high quality materials are available into the Lumion. This is for the landscape where you can place the water, you can create the mountains, you can place your model on the specific location with the OpenStreetMap. And this is for the weather, like you can say, set and check your sun direction and sun height also. So this is very useful. Now I will import my SketchUp file into this software. Okay, so this is my SketchUp file. Just to inform you guys that in the latest version, you can directly import the 2020 2020 version of the SketchUp file directly. So you don't uh, uh, have to convert it into the Collada file or any other format. You can directly import .skp format. So I'm doing it right away. It's just taking few seconds to import the model, and we will place our SketchUp model on proper coordinates. So I have the uh, coordinates information with me. Okay, let's place it somewhere here, and here is an option for to set your coordinates. So if you have your coordinates details on proper landscaping, so you can use this tool. This is very useful. So I'm saying that my x is 15.04. Okay, y 2.21 and z 44.45. After doing this, there is an option that you can rotate your object or your imported model. So I'm rotating it at a 90-degree. And now my SketchUp file is on proper coordinates. Just to check, this the file with the applied materials in the SketchUp. So you have the material identity with the color and the texture also. So you can select the materials easily. Now see, this looks better. Now we'll see first the how the Lumion will work with the effective material and some material alteration. So first we will check with the water. So you can see the pool water here. So Lumion has very vast material library. You like if you are investing your time to create this kind of 3D materials, so in other software you can check how Lumion is fast and quick. You just have to select the material with a single tab, and you can check all the properties that if it is matches your what material or any material. Like now we have the water, so if it is matches the material requirement of the water, so this is a nice pool, a flat water, some tropical also. So I'm applying a pool water, and with this scroll bar you can change the properties of this water. See, I'm adding some waves. gloss, wave scale also. See, this is how this fast is the software, and this is all happening in a real time. So you can decide before the rendering, before your revision, after the output, and you can check that what is your exact requirement for the material. Okay, so you can select the materials, water materials from here, and this is already animated. Now another thing is that we will quickly change the pool tiles with the displacement. So there is a separate tab for the tiles, and we'll see, okay, these are the pool tiles and how displacement map works. So if you can check, here is a small d is given at the right side corner. So those materials comes with the displacement. You just have to control it from the new scroll button that is available in the Lumion 10, and you can create the displacement in your material. With the relief, you can control the bump of that displacement. Okay, now this is perfect. So in material library, more new materials are there with the custom displacement map also, and we will see some how it is effective on the rock, soil, and other bricks. So this is a material for soil with the displacement, and we'll check. Okay, so this is displacement. Okay, this is perfect. I will add some relief. Now you can actually feel the material. You can control the map scale also. So this is a sand with the displacement. This is really helpful because for a beat map, for this kind of material, you can just select from the Lumion and implement on your project for the presentations. So same thing for the rock also. So we select outdoor material. So I have the stone, and let's check. This is stone displacement. See, it is happening live, and I'm controlling just with the this scroll bar. No special commands, no any other expertise. It is available in the Lumion 10. Okay. Now, if you can check, so these are the like a preset of the materials available into the Lumion. But if you have your own custom displacement map, which is the new feature in Lumion 10.3, so there is a third tab is given that you can choose your displacement map and import it from your texture library. So we will try this on this wall, that how to do that. Okay, so I will apply any brick from this material bar. Okay, change some color, and now here no displacement option is given. If you can see, colorization, gloss, reflectivity, relief, map scale, but no displacement. So how to add the custom displacement? You just have to select your displacement map. Okay, so this I'm selecting this displacement map. You can check the preview that I have selected the displacement map, and now that displacement option is available. So you can give displacement to this wall and to this material also. See. So like for giving any effective architecture uh, rendering, and it is necessary to show the materials in details and in depth also, uh, to communicate your design, to communicate your material, and to communicate your concept. So you can give the volumetric touch to with this custom displacement map tool that is available in Lumion 10.3. You can use it. So yeah, another thing is that once you have created any material and you want to use those material or you want to create any effect, so you can just select to use that material for further project or into the same project with the same properties, with the same color, with the same gloss, reflection, and the displacement, and with the same bump. So what you have to do is there is a new option that you can save your material as a custom material, and you can give the name. So I'm giving the name, my favorite material 0. I'm saving it as a custom material. And if you want to apply the same material with the same properties onto this wall, so here is an option for the custom material library. You just have to check the name. Okay, this is my favorite material 01, and it is there with the same properties. And after applying that, if you want to change the properties, you can change the properties of this wall and it won't affect. Now, the another thing is that the like some alteration of the material, like material edges and the material weathering. So sharp edges doesn't look realistic, so you can control the material edges. Okay, so we have seen that the custom material option, that we can give the custom materials and we can save it as the further use. So I am applying this my favorite material to this wall. Okay, and we'll see the further material alteration, how it works, the material weathering and the material edges. Now, with the edges, I can control and I can give some realistic edges. So, like you can remove the sharp edges in a real time, and after that, you can apply the material weathering to give some stone or a wood, give the material like if you want to give some stone or a wood, give the material okay. Look little weathered and little old, and there is a button for the foliage or ivy, yeah, and you can control it from the ground level also. So these all customization are available in the material. Again, now you can see the leaf types. Those leaves are already animated, but if you can also change the leaf size, you can also change the leaf type. See, different kinds of leaves are available. So no need to develop separate material for this foliage also. You can use the Lumion as a effective for the effective materials, and you can change the spread pattern. So this kind of customization are also available. Now, another thing is that in material that we have the library of the glass. Okay, so like Lumion has the pure glass library. Okay, it is very useful that you have your glasses with the texture, you have glasses with your reflection, you have glasses with your gloss, and you have glasses with the frost. So you can control it, like I'm controlling the relief, the texture, I'm controlling the gloss, the map scale of the texture, and the reflection. So number of pure glasses are available with the separate texture. See, this looks beautiful and you can control it, like I'm controlling the relief. Okay, I'm removing, okay, I'm adding some frost and adding some reflection and transparency. Okay, and you can add the pure glass also with the without any texture, internal reflection. You can add frost on it, and you can control the relief, the smoothness of the glass. Okay, And we were talking about the 3D grass material. So how it works is that previously the button was available to control each property of the 3D grass from this properties bar, and you can control the grass size. See, again, this is an animated, okay, the grass length. See, so you have the projects like stadium or any outdoor, or you have to create a beautiful foreground. So you can use this grass as a material this is a grass cut, okay, for the smooth grass. So this grass is also, see, it's a 3D grass, and this grass is available with the checkered pattern. Grass and the farm grass. So you can use it for your all kind of projects, and you can customize the properties of the grass. Now, let's talk about the content library. Okay, so with the new content library, Lumion has uh, multiple contents, new contents into library detail nature, and how this tab works, and that find it itself says it. The tab of this kind of trees and landscaping are very much intense. So like I'm placing one tree, and I'll rescale it, and you can check the color, the texture of the leaves, and the branch also. So it is really realistic. Like every leaf is connected to the branch, and with the text, shadow, and realism. You can see. Now, seems doesn't mean that it is only creating the large trees. It has the plants option also. So you can place the beautiful plants and trees for your foreground while rendering. Rescale. Okay. Now see all the details of the small plant. This is new feature as Lumion latest version, and you can use it. It is very helpful to get the beautiful render outputs. Now, what I have, guys, I have with applied material with me. So I will on the layer. So Lumion is also working on the layer tab. So you can bifurcate all your contents. Like if you have, you can bifurcate your furniture, you can bifurcate your animated people, you can bifurcate your building, lights, other objects, and you can proceed for your design and for the rendering. So I say I'm switching on my main building, the main layer. Okay, and that layer is applied with all the materials. Okay, see, you can check the grass, stone, wall, and we'll go inside to check the indoor. Okay, perfect. Now, as I said, the content library has the multiple new furniture library also. So switching on the lights, and let's check. These all are the new contents which is available in this new indoor library. And if you have to check that which are So this is my furniture library. Lumion will give you all the new contents in front of you. Okay, some sofas, some tables, chairs, cabinets. These all things are new and added as a new objects. Same for the vehicles. So if you have to place new animated cars, see, these all are the realistic vehicles. Now, same for the nature, same for the outdoor. So you can check when you are putting your images on render. Lumion will give you the option that you can render your images up to the poster size. Like you can create your images up to 7,680 pixels by 4,320 pixels. This is very huge. Okay, you can create the print size and you can create the full HD. Additional outputs like you can create your depth map, material map, alpha map, normal map, and the reflection map. So you can use it for the further use, like people who want to use the Photoshop, they can rely on this tool and Lumen will give you the special outputs. So I'm saying the render these images on the desktop size and I say render paste 1 and we'll check the rendering time and the output quality of this image. Meanwhile, we will see the new features like the first we will see the OpenStreetMap with the height map. So for that you have to go to the landscaping button and when you go to the OSM dialog box you can check the landscape tab, click on the GPS button. We will see now. Okay, now you just have to enable your GPS coordinates and then type the location and the proper coordinates and make sure you are enabling the height map option to create the height map on overall OpenStreetMap. So now your OSM is available with the height map and see the find result is beautiful and this is the accurate results for the OpenStreetMap. Previously it was not there. Now you can download your height map also for proper coordinates and location. And the new feature that is available in Lumen 10.3 that you can download the separate plugin for your AutoCAD 3D and you can sync your design into the Lumion live with the live synchronization for AutoCAD. You just have to enable that from the AutoCAD while opening the Lumion and you can create the concept and you can place things with the Lumion. Like see, now you can place the landscaping on your project. So you don't have to import anything. You are doing and making changes live. The rendering is done. It has took almost 4 minutes, 3 minutes 56 seconds. Just I'm using the 6 GB of the graphic card. If you are using the good graphic card, the rendering time will reduce drastically and it will give you the render output within a minute or within a 2 minutes. And we'll check the quality of this render output. See, you can check the reflection, you can check the depth and effect of the landscaping, you can check the reflection on the glass, the shadows, the light effect, everything is perfect and everything looks realistic. So you don't have to develop any, you don't have to rely on a Photoshop for the reflection map or a texture map or a depth map. You can create it here into the Lumion latest version.